Good morning, YouTube. Morning blue weather. There is a threat for severe storms today. Today being Monday, the 24th of June. I was going to talk a little bit about what to expect today, the timing also. As far as timing goes, due to a cold front coming from the west, from 4 to 8 p.m. Is the best chance for severe development in eastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, eastern Tennessee. From 8 p.m. and later, towards midnight, that threat moves eastward into West Virginia and far West Virginia, Highway 460-77 area. And also that expands south into western North Carolina. I was looking at the model data on the high resolution NAM model, and this morning it was showing that a long line of storms would come through eastern Kentucky 4 to 5 p.m. Kind of as a rough idea. And then that same line should move, say, to central West Virginia, say like the Beckley area, somewhere between around 6 o'clock probably. And it would be towards eastern West Virginia border, around 8 to 8:30 probably. So that kind of gives you a timeline. Like I said, from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock, it moves from eastern Kentucky to eastern West Virginia. That long line could have some downpours in it, some high wind, possible hail. Now, as far as tornado chances, it's just a small chance, and it's in a certain area. Most people in West Virginia won't see that. There's like a 2% chance that eastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, and then the part of West Virginia that could see one, like I said, this is kind of a low chance, is if you're west of I-79. So basically the Charleston area, the Huntington area, the Coalfield area, you definitely would have to be west of Beckley, west of 79. Like I said, not a big tornado chance. It's going to be more about the wind and hail and heavy downpours. But like I said, this is all due to a cold front coming from the west. If you like getting these videos to have more information, please like this video on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to continue to do this, this video takes extra time out of my busy schedule, so in order for me to keep doing these, I need the support. If not, I'm just going to stick with the regular post on Blue Weather at Facebook. Any support is appreciated. Thanks.